Future mom's goals. Let's start here. Okay, best fruits for the woman who is trying to conceive. Berries. Those are rich in antioxidants that helps in protecting the egg cells. So take half cup in the morning for better benefit. Ripened papaya. It's a good source of folate. Okay, it helps in consumption. So take a small bowl 2-3 times a week. Pomegranate. It helps in improving the uterine blood flow and supports the uterine health. So take half cup daily. Orange. It is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C, which help in improving the egg quality. So whole fruit is better than juice. Banana. It helps in supporting the healthy ovulation. So take one banana at breakfast. Avocado. It is rich in healthy fats that supports hormone balance. So take 1/4 to half avocado along with meals.